Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 11, the freedom struggle. So the first topic is early phase of the freedom struggle. We have already read that the Queen of England became the Empress of India. So in the previous chapter we have already learned how Queen of England, she became the Empress of India. India was then a colony of the British. So India was a colony, or you can say a empire, which was under the British rule. People were unhappy because of the exploitative policies of the British and wanted to bring about a change. So the local people, the local masses were very unhappy. They were not satisfied. Why? Because the British government had come in India in order to exploit the Indian people and the Indian resources. So the Indian people, they wanted the changes which can bring the development of the Indian people, and they also wanted the British rule to be end from our India. So this is all about the early phase of the freedom struggle of the Indian people. Next topic is the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress, that is INC. So what is the full form of INC? That is Indian National Congress. Remember it. Was formed in 1885 in Bombay, now Mumbai. So the Indian National Congress was formed in the year 1885, and in which state? That is Bombay, and at present we call Bombay as Mumbai. It played a very important role in leading the movement for the freedom of our country. So Indian National Congress, it played a very important role in which they have organized different types of movement which help us to get freedom from the British rule. Some of the early leaders of the Congress were Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So remember the leaders. Who were the important leaders from the Indian National Congress? So the first one is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naroji, and Surendranath Banerjee or Banerjee. So these three are very important leaders from the Indian National Congress, and they have played a very important role so that we can get freedom from the British rule. The INC would use prayer, petition, or write letters to the government about the problems faced by the Indians. So the INC, that means the members who were the members of the INC, they used to prayer, they used to write different types of letters, they used to send different types of requests to the British government about the problems which was faced by the Indian peoples. The early leaders believed that the British would consider their petition and make necessary reforms. So the early leaders, that means Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naroji, and Surendranath Banerjee, they believed that the British government would consider their request and make different types of measures, or you can say different types of schemes through which Indian people can be benefited. However, the government ignored most of their requests. So the British government, they have ignored the most of the request which was done by the leaders of the Indian National Congress. The New Year members of the Congress demanded other methods to be used beside petition so that immediate action would be taken by the government. So the other members, or the New Year member of the Indian National Congress, they demanded that we should use other measures or other methods, so that beside using the request or petition, we can use different other methods through which the action will be done by the British government in an immediate manner. That means we should use other method through which the British government will look after the problem of the Indians. They wanted the participation of the common people in the freedom movement. So the New Year members of the Indian National Congress, they wanted that the common people should participate in the freedom movement against the British rule. Some of the newer members of the Congress were, so who were the newer members? Just like here we have learned the early leaders of the Congress. So now we will learn about the newer members of the Congress. They were Lala Lajpat Rai, remember it, Bipin Chandra Pal and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Thus we can say that the newer member of the Congress by Bal and Pal. Okay, so these three are the newer members of the Indian National Congress. Thus the newer members of the Congress disagreed with the views of the older members. So the newer members of the Indian National Congress, they did not like the views or opinion of the older members of the Indian National Congress. So this is all about the Indian National Congress, and here is a picture of Dadabhai Naoroji.